Games have been around for a very long time and are very important in our society. They teach cooperation, guidance, participation, and teamwork. This picture here shows the results of hard work and participation and the excitement that can happen when you play a game. I'm going to look at 3 different types of games and how they are looked at. 1 will be in athletics, 2 will be the Army, and 3 will be in the classroom. The first one will be the Army. Here, this picture depicts a soldier firing his weapon to get proper position to shoot at the enemy. The Army teaches a lot of values: honor, respect, code of conduct, collaboration, and teamwork as well, that can be very part of what games are all about. The next type of games are on an athletic field. This is an example of a baseball field and how the game of baseball is played. Notice the dimensions and the rules that have to be followed in order to be successful in incorporating this game. Another example of an athletic field is a softball diamond. Notice it is a little bit different than a baseball diamond because it has an all-dirt infield. However, the results are still pretty much the same when it comes to playing the game. And finally, the last type of athletic field is the football field. Notice that is very different from softball and baseball. However, the results are still pretty much the same. Everybody must work in unison, teamwork, participation, guidance to get the correct results that are desired in a sporting event. As you can see, even though the dimensions of the baseball field, the softball field, and the football field are different, they still share a common thread: participation, teamwork, guidance to work hard to win the game, and also have a learning experience on the athletic field. And finally, now we will turn our attention to the classroom and to look at how games are being used in the classroom on a daily basis. This is the last type of where games can be established. In this setting, this is an auditorium where it could be lectures, and as you can see, there's a stage up there, and what that's for, that could be role-playing and simulation for the games to be conducted, and people can learn from that as well. Next, here's another type of classroom, basically the traditional classroom. See with the chalkboards in there for that, and there is one computer in this type of setting for the games. Again, it could be role play, it could actually be self-directed, and where the instructor teaches and the kids take notes to accomplish the task at hand, what they need to do. And finally, this is the last type of classroom, and you can see it is a computer classroom. This is where the virtual learning can take place, along with 3D simulation, as well as there still is some chance of the traditional with the lecture and the chalkboard, but here's where the learning can actually, with the 3D environment, really grow and expand. Finally, the light where games are all put together is on the college campus. The buildings all may be different, the structures can be different, however, the outcome will always still be the same: learning through teamwork, cooperation, guidance, and preparation, as well as the willingness to put forth the effort to make it all possible. We have looked at games on several different types of fields of play. The athletic field, in the classroom, and then it's all put together on the college campus. That's what gaming's all about, not only in distance education, but also in life. Through the teamwork, the cooperation, the collaboration, the guidance, the sacrifice, what it takes to make gaming successful and to be successful in the game of life. And finally, I'd like to leave you with this, the picture of the United States flag. Through the hard work, teamwork, sacrifice, dedication, preparation, to make everything possible that gives us a chance not only to have a college education, to pursue games, but also to give us a chance to pursue freedom. And we thank you for that.